Mercy's first hiccups.
Came up with that. It's Mike and Jill. Mom, give the cell phone and call when you get a chance.
You sound like a squeaky toy.
Okay.
Odie's gonna love you, eh? You sound like a squeaky toy. You looking at the camera? Yeah? What is that? What is that? Eh? Say bye for now. What's my little hiccups?